Okay, see Lindelof, AP Calculus, AB Separable Differential Equations. We just did a video on general solutions. Now we're going to find a particular solution. I think that this one's going to be really easy. It's very basic and straightforward, but I just want to show you what it looks like. If we want to find a particular solution, what we're looking for is separable differential. So we're going to separate this stuff here. So what we're going to do here is this. We're going to say, give me, let's separate this to this so we get y times its derivative is equal to 2e to the x. All I did was just put the y's and the x's on different sides. Yeah? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and integrate. So I'm going to integrate both sides. So I'm going to integrate here and here. And we know the integral of this is just going to be y squared over 2, isn't it? And the integral of this is just going to be itself, right? So we're going to get 2e to the x plus this constant value plus this c value. So I think so far we're actually doing pretty good. And now I'm going to use the information that they gave us, and they're saying that here x is 0. So I'm going to take this information that they gave us. They said this is 0, so I'm going to make that 0 for a second. And they said that it's 3. So this 3 is this 3. And now you can see that we have that constant of variation isolated. I'm sorry, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to have 3 squared, didn't I? So I want to have 9 halves is equal to e to the 0 power is 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus c. I'm just going to keep solving until I get c by itself. So what I'm going to do is 9 halves minus 2 is equal to c. 2 is the same as 4 halves, isn't it? So we get 5 halves is equal to c. And believe it or not, we're almost done. I'm just going to go back up to this equation that they gave. So I'm going to fill in the blanks here, right? I'm going to put in y squared over 2 is equal to 2e to the x power plus the constant of variation. This c is this one that goes here, right? So is 5 halves. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to try to get closer to y by itself, if you don't mind. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply the whole thing by 2 to get rid of this 2 down here and get y squared is equal to 4e to the power of x plus 5, and there's my particular solution. All right? Not bad. So when you see this on the AP exam, don't freak out. This is really straightforward stuff. It just looks like hell, but we can definitely do this. All right? The next thing I'm going to do is a problem from I think the 2011 AP Calculus test. I think it's number 5, and it's a particular solution. So I'm going to do that with the next video. Hey, if you haven't already subscribed, please do, and your comments are always welcome. Thanks for everything, you guys.